Yo, welcome back to another video. This one's gonna be short. It's just gonna be a recap of a drift event that I went to, but that event got the fire burning under me again to go get another drift car and start sliding. You guys know I have my M3, but I do not want to thrash this one. This is it's too nice of a car. So I started looking on Marketplace. I started being patient because I know E36s are going for a ridiculous amount right now. People want 10 grand for a little 318, and I can't justify paying that money for those cars. But with that being said, I was patient. I was constantly looking on Marketplace every day, and I found one. I'm not gonna give it up right now, not in this video, but the car is at home. You're gonna have to subscribe, and then the next video will be the reveal. The only thing I can give you as far as a clue is that it is a BMW. I'm not gonna say what chassis, but you guys just hang on tight. The next video will be out soon, and just enjoy the recap of Hotpit Fest. Later.